Teka lang. Naiiyak.
Tense.
Naiiyak.
Ready, get, set, go.
Yes.
Food?
No.
Animal?
No.
Is it moving?
No.
Aray ko ka? Clothing?
No.
Can I see it?
No.
Do I like it? Can? Clothing? Animal?
No.
Fruit? Food?
No.
Not food, Not at all, No. Place? Something you wear?
No.
Something I can see outside?
Yes.
Yes.
Bird?
No.
Is it an animal?
No.
Transportation?
No.
Building?
No.
Environmental object?
No.
No, not at all. Lamppost, soccer? Teka lang. Sino ba may hawak? Pass.
Tagal.
Food?
No.
Animal?
No.
Clothing?
No.
Toy?
No.
Game?
No.
Is it here?
No.
Is it here?
No.
Does it move?
No.
Fruit?
No.
Clothing?
No.
Why is it so hard? Appliance, furniture?
No.
Do we teach it?
Teach.
Do we teach this one?
Yes.
No words, no words.
Yes. Is it a category we teach?
Can.
Is it people?
No.
Animal?
No.
Fruit, vegetable?
No.
So hard. Appliance, furniture, no then.
No.
How do we teach this? Noun, verb? Noun. Noun. And common noun.
Yes.
Common noun. Pencil?
No.
Lego?
No.
School material?
No.
Paper? Crayon?
No.
Hindi nga pala. Common people. No, not people.
Not people.
No. Not object. It's not right here. It's an object.
Yes.
Is it here? Is it here?
No.
Is it? It's an object. Appliance, toy.
No.
Furniture.
No.
Something I use.
Yes.
A pen.
No.
No.
Soap.
No.
Soap. Shampoo.
No gesture, no gesture.
Tissue, towel.
No gesture, no gesture.
Ano ba?
No gesture, no gesture.
Towel.
No.
Undergarment. Shoes.
No.
Earrings.
No.
Something I use.
Yes.
Every day.
Yes.
Transportation.
No.
Easy link.
Easy link.
Ano ba?
No.
Food. Object.
Yes.
Object.
Yes.
Bakit lahat object? Shoes, clothing.
No.
Appliance.
Yes.
Appliance. TV.
No.
Radio, computer. Keyboard, iPad. Phone. Computer, mouse.
No gesture.
Printer.
No gesture.
Print. Here, right now.
Yes.
Electric fan.
No.
TV.
No.
It's inside. Ano ba? Stereo? Computer, monitor, computer, keyboard, socket,
No.
computer. Yes. What's in a computer? Monitor? Mouse, CPU? What computer?
Hey.
Computer something.
No.
Ano ba? Computer what?
No gestures, Grace.
Computer, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU,
No.
mousepad,
No.
printer,
No.
do with the computer? Computer, it's inside. Yes. I cannot guess it anymore. I don't know. Faster. Mahirap to
Oh, you're
Well, food. Appliance. No. Not food, not appliance, not people. Not clothing.
No.
Not something I don't like.
No.
It's an animal.
No.
It's a color. Is it brown, black, yellow?
Yes.
Yellow.
Can.
Can be yellow.
Can.
Fruit?
No.
Sun?
No.
Black sun?
I don't know. What can be yellow? Phone? I know. Balloon? What? Cookie? I don't know. I really do not know.
I give up, Chef. I give up.
I don't know.
Change again.
Change.
Yellow.
My head is aching already. Food.
No.
Is it the CPU thing?
Yes.
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 iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, tablet.
No.
Tablet. Playbook.
No.
Pen. iPad.
Yes.
Hey, no extraneous words. No gestures.
What is it? MacBook.
Yes.
Apple.
You're gonna kill yourself.
I really don't know now. What is it? I don't know now. My head is aching already.
This one also, you're gonna hit yourself for this one.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a food? Easy bus, train? Why is this so hard? I don't want to guess anymore. I give up.
Just go ask. Just
come
go
on,
ask
still a little
questions.
bit.
Just go ask questions. Go ask questions.
Transportation.
No.
Computer.
No.
Yes.
A place. Not a computer.
No. Yes. Okay,
Dina, you
yes.
guess for me.
No.
Go ask questions. You can do it.
My head is aching.